Hello learners, I am Parikshit and welcome to another very exciting session on Unacademy CAT-alyst. In today's session, we are going to talk about some basics of quantitative aptitude. In today's session, specifically, we are going to talk about some more calculation techniques. Remember the last 2-3 classes, I have shown you some super awesome shortcuts to do calculations. And in today's class, I'm going to continue this topic further. Some more super amazing techniques, because a lot of you have one complaint: I'm very slow in my calculations. What do I do? And if this is your problem too, this session is meant just for you. Let's get started. Okay, so this is me, your educator on Unacademy, the educator with the highest live class rating on the platform. Okay, a lot of happenings of Unacademy the next few days. A lot of new batches are starting. The 1st of May, a legend batch started. 3rd of May, a revision batch started. And on the 5th of May, a perfect batch for the CAT 2021 starts. In case you wish to enroll to any of these batches, then remember you got to enroll on Unacademy Plus, or for that matter on Iconic or take an Iconic subscription. And remember, if you do so, please use the code Parikshit Live, because this code will get you 10% discount on the subscription fee, and B, this is the only code which will give you free mentorship even on Plus subscription. And when I say free mentorship, I mean mentorship from my side. Mentorship is going beyond your class hours to help you with your doubts, prepare your strategies, and be with you at every step till you crack the CAT in November, right? So remember to use the code Parikshit Live, because that's the only code that will give you free mentorship apart from a 10% discount. Let's get started with today's session. Okay, today's class I'm going to talk about some more calculation techniques, right? And you're going to love these. Let's have a look. Okay. Now what I'm going to teach you is some more multiplication methods. Okay. Now let's have a look. Let's say you want to multiply a number such as 12 into 34. 12 into 34. What is the shortcut? Now whatever I'm going to teach you is applicable for any question, right? It can be applicable for any sum. Let's start. First step. Step 1 is 2 into 4. 2 into 4 plus any carryover. That's step 1. 2 into 4 plus any carryover. So first steps, obviously there is no carryover. So 2 into 4 is 8. Right? Step 2. What is step 2? You cross. When I say you cross, I mean 1 into 4 plus 2 into 3 plus any carryover. So if you are able to visualize, it's like this. 1 into 4 plus 2 into 3. So 1 into 4 is 4 plus 2 into 3 is 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carryover 1. And the last step is 1 into 3 plus the carryover. 1 into 3 plus the carryover. So how much will you get? 4. So your answer is 408. I hope you are understanding. I'll show you one more. So whenever you need to multiply, right, remember you got to be really fast. So your calculations have to be in one step. So let's take another number. 57 into 38. Okay, how do you multiply this? 57 into 38, how do you multiply this? Step 1, 7 into 8. Step 1 is 7 into 8. So how much it is? 7 into 8, 56. Carryover 5. Step 2 is always cross. So when I say cross, I mean to say 5 into 8 plus 3 into 7 plus any carryover. So you see here, see this 5 into 8 plus 3 into 7. So 5 into 8 is 40, 3 into 7 is 21, 40 plus 21 is 61. Remember, you are a carryover of 5. So 61 plus 5 is 66. Carryover 6. And step 3. How do you write step 3? Step 3 is 5 into 3 plus any carryover. So 5 into 3 is 15. Carryover 6 is 21. I hope you realize that whatever I have written inside the box should be done orally. Should be done orally. That should be mental maths. That should be mental maths. So are you seeing that you can get an answer within in one line? In one line. Let's look at another sum. Let's look at another sum. Now let's look at a 3 into 2, right? So let's say another sum. You have a number, let's say 123, okay, into 45. How you're going to calculate this? 123 into 45. So let's start. Step 1, 3 into 5. Needless to say, whatever I'm writing on the right hand side has to be mental calculations. So 3 into 5. So how much will you get? 3 into 5 is 3 into 5 is 15. 15. Carry over 1. Step 2, cross. Cross. When I say cross, I'm writing it here. 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus any carryover. 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus any carryover. So 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4. So 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 12 is 22. Carryover 1 is 23. Carryover 2. Carryover 2. Right. Next. 1 into 5 plus carryover. 1 into 5 plus carryover. So 1 into 5 is 5 plus carryover 2 is 7. 7. Right? And last step is 1 into 4. 4. That's your answer. That's your answer. I hope you are following. So what was step 3? Just to make sure that you understand, step 3 was 1 into 5. 1 into 5. I hope you understand, right? So what was step? So again, I will repeat from the beginning. I hope that you understand. First step was 3 into 5, 15. Carry over 1. Step 2, cross. So 2 into 5, 10. Plus 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 10, 22. Plus carry over 1, 23. Carry over 2. Carry over 2. Step 3. Step 3 is 1 into 5. 1 into 5 plus 2 into 4 plus any carryover. 1 into 5 plus 2 into 4 plus any carryover. So 1 into 5 is 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13, right? 13 plus carryover 2 is 15. Is 15. So just make this correction. 15. Correct? So carryover 1. Carryover 1. And the last step is 1 into 4 plus any carryover. 1 into 4 plus any goes. 1 into 4 is 4. We had a carryover over 1. So your answer is rather 5, 5, 3, 5. 5, 5, 3, 5. Are you following? Are you following? Yes? Let's try again. Let's try another sum. I'll show you 2 sums so that afterwards when you go back home and practice it yourself, you don't find any difficulty. You don't find any difficulty. Right? Okay. Let's take another one. 638 into, let's say, 47. 47. You have to multiply this, right? In one step. You got to do the maths in one step. Step 1. 8 into 7. So I'm writing out on the, this has to be mental maths, but I'm writing it down for you so that you can take a note. 8 into 7 is step 1. So how much is 8 into 7? 56. Carry over 5. Step 2. What is step 2? Step 2 is always cross. So it is basically like this. 3 into 7 plus 4 into 8 plus any carryover. So how much is 3 into 7? 21. 4 into 8, 8, 34, 32, right? So 32 plus 21 is 53. 53 plus carryover 5 is 58. 58. So carryover is again 5. Carryover is again 5. Step 3. What is step 3? Step 3 will be 6 into 7 plus 3 into 4 plus any carryover. 6 into 7 plus 3 into 4 plus any carryover. So 6 into 7 is 42. 42 plus 3 into 4, 12. So 42 plus 12 is 54. And then we had a carryover 5. So 59. 59. Carryover 5. Carryover 5. That is step 3. And what is the last step? The last step is 6 into 4 plus the carryover. 6 into 4 plus the carryover. So 6 into 4 is 24. Carryover 5 is 29. Is 29. Are you following? Anyone who is viewing me live and has a doubt in the calculations, please ask me. If you are viewing me live and if you have a doubt in the calculations, you can ask. I hope you follow this. Right? So please take a note. What you need to take a note is this part. Is the part inside the box. which the next time you do should be mental maths. Should be mental maths, right? But for the first 2, 3, 4 times, you got to have this picture in the mind so that you are able to solve it in one step. Correct? Let's look another calculations. Let's do now a 3 into 3 number. So what we did is 3 into 2, a 3-digit number multiplied with a 2-digit number. So the next thing I'm going to teach you is a 3-digit number multiplied with a 3-digit number. Okay? A 3-digit number multiplied with a 3-digit number. Let's start. 123. Okay? Let's say you got to multiply with 456. 456. So how are you going to do this math? Remember, you lot of times these will come up in your DI calculations, in your quants calculations, and you got to be really fast. So let's start. Step 1. Okay, step 1. This is for you to understand. 3 into 6. 3 into 6. So what is 3 into 6? 18. Carry over 1. Step 2. What is step 2? Always step 2. Think about it. It's cross, cross. So step 2 is like this. So if you cross 2 into 6 plus 3 into 5 plus any carryover. Plus any carryover. So 2 into 6 is 12. 12 plus 3 into 5, 15. So 12 plus 15 is 27. Carryover 1 is 28. Is 28. Carryover 2. Carryover 2. Step 3. Step 3. Right? So what is step 3? Okay, let me draw it for you. Step 3. You know how step 3 will be? Again, if you have to cross. Or how will you cross? 1 into 6 plus 3 into 4 plus 2 into 5. This is how you will cross. So step 3 will be 1 into 6 plus 3 into 4 plus 2 into 5 plus any carryover. Plus any carryover. So can you do the maths? 1 into 6 is 6. 3 into 4 is 12. 2 into 5 is 10. So 6 plus 12, 18. 18 plus 10 is 28. 28 and you will carry over 2. So obviously this will become 30. 30 carry over 3. Carry over 3. Right? Next step. Next step. Now it's easy. Now it's easy. Again think it to be a 2-digit number. Again think it like a 2-digit number and your focus should be on this part now. Now you are done with this part. Now your focus should be on these two numbers. Think it like a 2-digit number. Okay? So obviously what will you do? Next step. Again cross. Again cross. Cross is like this. So how much will you get? How much will you get? Let's change the color. So first step is 1 into 4. 1 into 5, sorry, plus 2 into 4. Plus 2 into 4. Plus any carryover. So 1 into 5 is 5. 2 into 4 is 8. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 and carryover 3 is 16. Is 16. Carryover 1. And the last step. Last step is 1 into 4 plus any carryover. 1 into 4 plus any carryover is 5. Is 5. That's your answer. That's your answer. So 123 into 456 is 56088. See, I must tell you, you are doing it for the first time. You might be thinking this is so difficult. But remember, if you practice it 3, 4, 5, 6 times, you know what? The part inside the box, if you start practicing, let's say you practice 4, 5 sums, the 7th sum, the 8th sum onwards, you will be able to do your calculations within seconds. Remember, whatever is there inside the box, it's mental maths. It's mental maths, right? So you only got to focus on this part, and this part is really, really easy. So remember, you have to practice. It's not that without practice, you can become perfect. No, you might be thinking, this is tough. This is not tough. It will be easy provided you practice a bit. If you practice a bit, it will come naturally to you. It will come naturally to you. So one more last step so that you don't have a problem later on. You don't have a problem later on. Remember, practice is what makes a man perfect, right? And you got to practice. I am showing you tricks and I expect you to go back and put it into practice. Let's take another number. 658 into 379. Okay, 379. Okay, let's take this number. So what is step 1? Now you know. Step 1, 8 into 9. So step 1 is very easy. If you are thinking about step 1, you might want to think it like a 2-digit number. Think it like this. Think it like this. If you are finding it confusing, you think it like a 2-digit number. Okay? You think it like a 2-digit number. So 2-digit number, what is the first step? 8 into 9. 8 into 9. So moment you have 8 into 9, it's 72. Carry over 7. Carry over 7. Step 2, cross. So 5 into 9, what is step 2? You are going to cross 5 into 9 plus 7 into 8 plus any carryover. 5 into 9 plus 7 into 8 plus any carryover. So how much you are getting? 8 into 7 is 56, 9 into 5 is 45. So 11, 9, 10, 101. 101 plus the carryover 7 makes it 108. Makes it 108, carryover 10. Carryover 10. Yes, I hope you understand. I hope you are understanding what is happening here. What is happening here, right? Next step. So next step, it's gonna be like a 3-digit number. This is the only step where you need to do one step extra. This into this plus this. Again across, but the extremes you cross. Extreme ones. So let's start. Step 3. How will you do? 6 into 9 plus 3 into 8 plus 5 into 7 plus any carryover. Plus any carryover. Right? So how much you are getting? 6 into 9, 54. 3 into 8, 24. Right? And 5 into 7, 35. So how much you are getting? 9, 13. Carryover 1, 7, 10, 11. 113. Because you have 113, you're going to write the 3 here and you're going to carry over the 11. You're going to carry over the 11. Yes? Now I think you'll be able to solve. And once you are done with this 3-digit, now you know that again you have to treat it like a 2-digit number. So what will you say? You will consider only this part. And you will take it to be a 2-digit number. So 2-digit means cross. 6 into 7 plus 5 into 3. 6 into 7 plus 5 into 3. That's your next step. 6 into 7 plus 5 into 3 plus any carryover, right? So 6 into 7 is 42. 42 plus 5 into 3, 15. So 42 plus 15 is 57 plus carryover 11 is 68. Carryover 11, 57, 68, carryover 6. Carryover 6. And the last step. What is the last step? 6 into 3 plus any carryover. So 18, 6 into 3 is 18 plus carryover 6 is 24. 24. Are you following it? 658, correct? Into 379. So I'm just checking. Yes. So 249382. So this is 9. Sorry, this is 9. This is 9. Just making sure that we are correct. This is 9, right? 249. I think we wrote 8 there. This is 249. Any doubt in this? Are we clear? Again, I repeat, you will not write this in your exam. The part inside the box is only for you in the initial stages. As you are new to this, I am writing down the part inside the box. But whatever is there in your box is mental maths. It's mental maths, right? Many a times you will see answer options. Remember, you must be thinking, do I not have a calculator? At this stage, we don't know whether you'll have a calculator, right? Remember, last 2-3 years, a calculator was allowed. But this year, do you know that a calculator is allowed in the CAT? No, you don't. Have you made an assumption that a calculator will be given? Yes, you have. What you have done is only make an assumption that a calculator is given. So you don't even know. And many a times, what will happen? You will have the answer options. Even if you are able to get the last 2 or 3 digits, okay, you will look at the answer option and immediately you will mark your answer. You'll not even wait. Probably you have 4 options and only one option, the last 3 digits are 382. So immediately you will mark your answer saying that this is my answer. So remember, only you got to make sure that you practice. If you practice it probably for another 5 days, whatever I showed you, you're gonna master this. And you'll be able to multiply the next time you're solving a DI caselet or you're doing quants calculations. You'll be a really fast. Correct? Okay. A small announcement here that we in Unacademy are offering you a bumper offer. What we call a bumper offer. Remember, 7 months till your CAT. But if you subscribe today, in the next, yes, 1 month extra you will get for free plus subscription. 7 months for the CAT, but if you go for a 6-month subscription, we from Unacademy will give you an extra 1 month extension till your CAT. So remember to buy the 6-month subscription and you will get one extra month. And remember, when you buy the 6-month subscription on Plus, use the code Parikshit Life, because this code will get you 10% discount, and B, this is the only and only code which will give you free mentorship. I repeat, free mentorship. A lot of students often ask me, if I join using your code, do I get access to only your videos? No. If you join using my code, you will get access to every educator who is there on the Unacademy platform. You will get 10% discount, access to every educator, but beyond this, what you get is free mentorship, which is available only on this code. And mentorship is going beyond your class hours to help you out. Yes, and yes, the weekly scholarship. Do please register for it, because it will give you a reality check. How well is your preparation going at this stage, right? A reality check. So do attempt the scholarship test, and anytime have a doubt, make use of the Ask a Doubt feature on Unacademy. Okay, I think that's it for today. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. Hope you learned some super amazing techniques. And as I said, it's only with practice that you will be able to master this calculation techniques. Yes? Okay. Thank you so much. Please stay safe. Take care of yourself and take care of people around you. And I'll see you tomorrow, same time, and with some another exciting topic. Till then, goodbye. And